The Air Asia flight returning to Perth on one engine, ending a terrifying trip for 359 passengers. Mid-flight to Kuala Lumpur, and the aircraft started shaking violently. One passenger said it felt like a washing machine. It sounded like it as well. Marine rescue services north of Perth were told to prepare for a possible crash into the water. Passengers first heard a loud bang before the plane began to shun.
Please listen to the briefing. Our survival depends on your cooperating. Hopefully everything will turn out for the best.
Lots of people crying, lots of people pulling out their life jackets and stuff, like pretty much preparing. Like we thought there was a good chance that we were going to go down.
The plane left Perth just before 7 a.m. local time, but was forced to turn around about 1.5 hours into the flight, touching down at 10 a.m. Some passengers were in tears once they were back on safe ground.
I thought I wouldn't be here because halfway through he said we need to prepare for emergency landing.
As they taxied, the pilot told passengers he believed a turbine blade had broken off inside one of the jet's engines. Air Asia issued a statement which was short on details, saying the plane returned to Perth Airport shortly after takeoff due to a technical reason. As the plane limped back to Perth, the pilot asked people to pray so they would all get home alive. Whatever the reason, the plane stayed intact and landed safely. No wonder passengers were relieved. Mark Burrows, 9 News.